Are you looking for the best laptop stands? In this video we will look at some of the 5 best laptop stands on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description, so make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Starting at number 1. Lifelong Upryze Ergonomic Laptop Stand. The Lifelong Upryze laptop stand is one of the sturdiest extendable laptop stands available. It holds any size device, even the heaviest of laptops, and can extend as high as 17 inches. It really proves its worth when you use it for standing presentations or video calls because there are currently so few laptop stands that can reach this stand's height. Additionally, you can adjust the plate angle, whether seated or standing, to achieve the perfect frame for your video or comfort for your back. However, adjusting the stand's height may be a little cumbersome as the hinges are stiff. It's a minor complaint and one that is down to the sturdiness of the frame. As they say, you can't have your cake and eat it. However, you must also take care not to knock the desk or the actual frame when fully extended, as this is when its balance is at its most vulnerable. The stand features an airflow hole to ensure your laptop doesn't overheat. You can find it on the plate at the top, and it aids in heat dissipation. At the bottom of the plate are 2 stoppers to hold your laptop in place. 4 small silicone pads in each corner act as anti-slip pads to ensure your device stays where you want it. It folds up nicely and fits into any luggage if you are an on-the-go digital nomad. On the other hand, it weighs a little heavier than others, at almost 4.5 pounds. If weight is a factor, consider how important standing while working is to you before purchasing. Number 2. Soundance LS1. The Soundance laptop stand's design enables you to sit at your desk with good posture comfortably. Your back will be healthily straight because your laptop will be at eye level as you click away on your keyboard. It's not adjustable, so it isn't suitable for very tall people or for standing up. However, this stand is a good choice if your job involves lots of typing, researching, or reading. It's also great for the posture of online educators using webcams to teach students while seated. There isn't a flat platform for laptop support. Instead, there are 2 arms to support your device. This design allows air to flow freely and contributes to keeping your device from overheating. If your laptop is slim, like a MacBook, you may want to be aware of the lip at the end of each arm support. They do turn up quite a lot, which may be uncomfortable when typing. For thicker laptops, it is a good fit. However, keep in mind that an external keyboard is always the best choice when using a laptop stand. This stand comes in 3 parts, and you can quickly put it together without the need for any tools. This design also makes it transportable, but it probably isn't ideal for digital nomads and other travelers who may not wish to pack awkwardly shaped pieces. Finally, those with the largest sized laptops should look elsewhere, as this stand will only support up to 15.6 inches. Number 3. Nulaxy C1. Although the Nulaxy C1 doesn't reach the same dizzy heights as other adjustable laptop stands, it can still do helpful alterations. The legs are adjustable at the top and the bottom to create various angles and heights to suit your needs. If you sit at your desk for long periods staring into your laptop, this stand will help you find multiple positions to help you retain good posture. However, it isn't so extendable that it is suitable for standing presentations. Its sturdy aluminum build makes it a reliable and robust stand that will continue to support your laptop for years to come. In fact, it will support any device up to an impressive 44 pounds. Nulaxy claim that the aluminum alloy plate acts as a heat sink by absorbing heat from your device and cooling it down. There is a ventilation hole, but it is not particularly prominent and is not in the center. Your laptop will remain much cooler on the stand than sitting on a desk. Number 4. Boyata N19 Laptop Stand. The Boyata N19 ergonomically designed laptop stand is another fantastic choice for those looking for adjustable features. The Z-style frame has very stiff hinges, which may sound like a flaw as it could be cumbersome to adjust. However, it means that it is also very sturdy. Couple this with the fact that it features 4 silicone pads, including 2 on the unobtrusive lips at the bottom of the platform, and you can be sure that your laptop is in safe hands. the stand reaches a pretty good elevation of more than 10 inches. You can also set the platform viewing angle to almost completely straight. These adjustments make for a good position for your tablet. There is a large hole in the center of the platform. This design ensures good airflow and prevents your device from overheating. It can also be folded down and packed away pretty easily, and at just about 2.5 pounds, the weight isn't excessively burdensome. Number 5. YoFeW Laptop Stand. The YoFeW laptop stand is an excellent choice for the home office. However, it requires a bit of assembly before use, so it may not be ideal for traveling. It is sturdy and lightweight and features a simple spine that is easily adjustable with the press of a button. There is minimal wobble, so you will feel confident with your laptop sitting on top. This spine can also do a complete 360-degree rotation, and you can adjust the platform to a maximum 45-degree angle. These adjustments mean you can find the perfect position for your laptop and ensure your back is comfortable and you are practicing good posture. The maximum height is almost 8 inches, and the platform accommodates laptops up to 17 inches. On the downside, there are no air holes for heat ventilation, so if you have a computer prone to overheating, you may want to consider a different model.